So before we clean the washing machine, turn it off, take everything out. This one you can resist, take it out, but make sure you don't lose this one. Whatever you take out, be careful. This one, let's see, put that part. Turn. This one can be out. So basically we remove everything. Take this one out. Get this one up. Everything here need to be cleaned properly. Down here need to be cleaned as well. So after all these things clean, put everything back together, and then use this liquid, put it up, put on the tray, run the washing machine. It's washing at normal. After that, take this one out. It's empty. Chuck it away. And then we run the washing machine one more time as hot water, so make it clean, no shock.
Yeah.
That's it. I'll show you the picture step by step. Turn off the camera.